Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video we will discuss two sample answers that you can prepare for this cue card along with the explanation in Hindi. So the topic is describe a person who likes to read a lot. ऐसे व्यक्ति का वर्णन कीजिए जिसे बहुत पढ़ना पसंद है. You should say who this person is. ये व्यक्ति कौन है? How you knew him or her. आपने उसे कैसे जाना? What he or she likes to read. उसे क्या पढ़ना पसंद है एंड एक्सप्लेन वाई यू थिंक ही और शी लाइक्स टू रीड अ लॉट और समझाएं कि आपको क्यों लगता है कि उसे बहुत पढ़ना पसंद है. सो आई एम शेयरिंग टू सैम्पल आंसर्स दैट विल हेल्प यू प्रिपेयर फॉर दिस क्यू कार्ड. Sample answer 1 is one person I know who loves to read is my cousin Priya. She has always been an avid reader since childhood and her passion for books has only grown stronger over the years. I first noticed her love for reading when we were in school. While most of us would be playing or watching television, Priya would always have a book in her hands. She enjoys a wide range of genres, but her favorites are historical fiction and non-fiction books related to psychology and human behavior. I remember she was particularly fascinated by biographies, especially of influential figures like Mahatma Gandhi and Marie Curie. She often says that reading about their life inspires her and broadens her perspective on how different people overcome challenges. I believe Priya's love for reading comes from her curious nature and her desire to learn new things. Whenever we have conversations, she always shares interesting facts or stories that she's read, which makes her not only knowledgeable but also an engaging person to talk to. Additionally, I think reading provides her with a sense of peace and escape. She once told me that getting lost in a good book is her way of unwinding after a long day. In my opinion, Priya reads a lot because she genuinely enjoys the intellectual stimulation it provides and it helps her view the world in a more nuanced way. Her love for reading has not only expanded her knowledge but also made her more empathetic and thoughtful in her interactions with others. Another sample answer is a person I know who loves reading is my university professor, Mr. Sharma. He is an inspiring figure who always has a book in his hand or by his side. I got to know him during my first semester in college, and his passion for reading was instantly noticeable. He often encourages students to read more, not just for academic purposes, but to broaden their horizons. Mr. Sharma has a diverse taste in books, ranging from classic literature to contemporary science. He is particularly fond of reading books on philosophy and world history. One of his favorite authors is George Orwell, and he frequently quotes lines from Orwell's book during his lectures. I have noticed that he also enjoys reading about technological advancements, which is surprisingly given that his main field of study is literature. I believe he enjoys reading so much because it helps him stay intellectually stimulated. He once told me that reading allows him to keep evolving both as a teacher and as a person. Through books, he gains new perspectives, which he then passes on to his students. Another reason I think he reads a lot is that he sees books as a bridge to different cultures and ideas. His knowledge isn't limited to one subject, and I think reading is the reason why he can discuss a wide variety of topics with such depth and insights. In my opinion, Mr. Sharma's love for reading stems from his lifelong quest for knowledge and his genuine curiosity about the world. His reading habits has undoubtedly shaped his teaching style and made him an influential figure for many students, including myself. This is all about from my side. I hope these two sample answers will help you prepare for this cue card. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much, guys.